welcome back to our series of demonstration lessons on the subject of Paper Sloyd. We're currently working through the book Paper Folding by H.G. Paterson. Now, do you remember when you were at school passing notes to your friends under the table? Well, I do. And today's lesson is a bit like that because the children are learning to do a folded note. So they can write a little secret note and then they can fold it up so nobody can read it. I think it's going to be a fun one. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello and welcome!
Oh, I seem to have lost my job as the person introducing the lessons. Well, anyway, hello and welcome. I am James and today I am joined by...
Victoria, Frederick.
Victoria. And you're wearing the t-shirt of one of your favourite books, aren't you? What's that?
Green Ember.
Green Ember, yes. But today we're going to be doing another one of our Paper Sloyd lessons. And today we are moving on to number 6 in paper folding, in the paper folding book. And it is the folded note. And you will be pleased, just like I am pleased, and you two are pleased. I'm sure there is no tearing in this project. So we can have a break from tearing, and we will be making today the folded note, and it's at this time that, you know, when I've been teaching these lessons that I found it's really beneficial for the teacher, whoever's teaching the lesson, to actually make the project beforehand. We've been dealing with very basic stuff to start off with, but we're starting to do some more intricate folds, so it's good to have a little run through. So here's my folded note. You guys can see it before we actually start. Now, what would you do with a folded note? This is a good way of writing a letter or a picture, isn't it? What could you put inside this? You think? A letter? A picture?
Yeah.
Don't know?
Yeah.
Who would you give it to?
Well, a friend.
Friends? Yeah, that'd be nice. Or mummy?
Yeah.
Or maybe me?
Maybe a lion on your t-shirt.
Oh, yes. Right, so we need a piece of paper that is pre-cut to the right size. It is available in our supply packs that we sell at Charlotte Mason Beehive. It is 200 by 100 millimetres or 8 inches by 4 inches. So, let you guys have a quick look. There's less steps as well in this. There's only 7 steps that we have to look at. And it follows on nicely from spills, because even though we're not tearing in this, some of the folds are very similar to what we did in spills. And I will be working from the teacher's guide and lesson plan. And here we are, folded note.
Okay.
Right, let me move it back a tiny bit so that we can all see it. So, step 1, actually, let me just move this.
Step 1 is way smaller.
It is. Right, so we are fold into a 4-part band using the same method as in spills. So we're folding it into the centre.
Oh, I know.
In half, sorry.
Like this?
That's correct.
I can spill.
Move it more onto the table, Victoria, so that you can... That's it. And then you are opening it up, Frederick, and you are folding both sides now into the centre. Now we can use slightly thicker paper in this as well. It doesn't need to be as thin as the origami paper we've been using in previous lessons to learn the tearing techniques. Excellent. And then, brilliant, you have remembered. That's a very chunky spill, isn't it?
Like that?
It is, so fold it like that. Excellent. So, now we are on step 2. Fold this band widthways across the middle to the centre line. So, fold it, that's it. Fold it exactly in half, like that. That's correct.
And we never even looked at these steps.
We are looking at the steps. Yes. I'm following them as we're teaching. So, give it a good crease there, because you need to be able to see this line, if you can.
So, but we're not tearing it.
No, we're not tearing it. No tearing in this lesson. That's brilliant, Victoria. So open it up, Frederick. Now, so we are step 3. We fold the right hand half. So that's, yes, up at a right angle to that line. So there we go.
Like that?
Yes. So make sure it's in line with the line.
There.
That's brilliant. Now give it a good crease. That's it. Now turn the paper, Frederick, just hold it like, no. Now turn the paper over, okay? Now fold the other side, that's correct, Victoria.
Like this.
That's correct. Let me catch up on the actual thing. So turn the model over and fold the other side downwards at a right angle, making both sides equal in length.
Not exactly.
Yeah, I know, but what can you do, Frederick? So now
Exactly.
we are on step 5. Turn the model back over again. Brilliant. Just have it in front of you so that I can see both sides, Frederick. Now we are at step 5. So we are turning the model back over, which we've done, and fold over the left hand side at a right angle to the previous fold. So Frederick,
Yes.
you've turned yours over a couple of extra times. So it's this side that you needed to fold over. So we're folding it over at a right angle to this, okay?
So like
Let's have a look at yours, Victoria. So yours is folding that way, like that, okay?
Like that.
Let me see, Frederick. Hang on, no. What's happened here? What have
Like
you done?
this.
What you need to do, Frederick, is fold this downwards like that. Do you see? Oh, Victoria, that is absolutely gorgeous.
Look.
Now crease it down so that it's not going to bounce back up. Give it a good crease. Flatten it out, Victoria, on the table,
Oh, it didn't
please, so that everyone can see. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a gummed disc, and so pop it down on the table, Victoria. Have you turned that over? Let me. Yes, you have. Right, there we go. So we're going to be using our gummed disc, and we're going to be sticking it there. So you get to.
Oh, I like yellow.
So Frederick, here. We're going to be putting our gum disc there, okay? So here we go. Use a paintbrush, get plenty of water on it. Guys, plenty of water. And we're going to be pressing it, and we're going to be holding it on for a little bit of time, okay? So that it sticks properly.
Don't you have the paper clips?
We don't have the paper clips on this one because it's a nice thick piece of paper. It's a nice side. Press and hold it, Victoria, so that I can help Frederick.
Put it on this side,
That's
like
correct,
an
yes.
eye.
So press and hold it on like that.
Like an eye.
Yes. So let's press and hold it on. Shall we? Yeah, let's give it another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And let's hold it up so that everyone can see our different ones. Mine's the red one. What colour's yours, Victoria?
Yellow.
Yellow. So hold it up
Blue,
like that.
blue,
And blue.
blue,
There we go.
blue.
Don't they look nice? So we could do these, and a great thing to do with the folded note is to actually get the student to write a letter inside and do a picture inside, and then create the folded note that they can give to a friend or a relative or a neighbour, just somebody. And it was a way of passing notes years ago that has really become forgotten, but it's actually really good fun to do. So thank you all for joining us for this lesson. Are we going to say goodbye?
Bye.
Thank you for watching our lesson on the folded note. As you can see, it was quite a nice change not to be tearing for once. And the children really did enjoy this one. And I'm sure they'll be passing notes to one another for quite a while. I hope your children enjoy it too, and will maybe make notes for their friends and their family. Let me know how you get on in the comments.